Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create a spoiler image in Discord Mobile. So basically what spoiler image is maybe you guys have seen an image with the word spoiler written in it and its background blur. To view those kind of picture you need to click on the picture and then only it will be unblurred. So that's basically what spoiler image is. To create a spoiler image is pretty simple. First go to your gallery and choose the photo which you want to upload. So let's say I want to upload this photo and I want it to be blurred. So basically what I can do is rename it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first rename this photo over here. So I'm going to go to my file and rename this photo. So what I have to rename this photo into is, when you're renaming the photo, basically what you want to rename it in, you have to write spoiler spoiler underscore at the beginning. Now you need to write this spoiler underscore and it has to be all in capital letter, okay? If you want to add a spoiler image in Discord. After renaming it into spoiler underscore, you can add whatever name you want in the back. Click on save. Now after you do that, basically you can go to the photo which you want to send to Discord. So this is the photo which I want. Basically I can click on send and I'm gonna choose Discord from over here Discord. I'm gonna click on Discord. Over here in general Nepal, I'm gonna send this photo, and after this photo is sent, as you guys can see, it has word spoiler with a blur written in it. Now if I want to unblur it, I need to click on it once and then only it's gonna be unblurred. So that's basically how you make a spoiler photo on your Discord Mobile. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.